So just up here, this is the sway bar, and this is one of the mounting points for it. So it's snapped just here where it's meant to bolt down. So we'll get that off and we'll get a new one. Much easier with electric tools. Bit of an extension. Not that big of a fucking extension. Can't handle them when they're that big. See if we can make this fucker fit. I presume it's going to be way too big, but yeah, of course. And this is why I normally bring my tools with me. Fuck's sakes. What more can I say? If we go 14 and then come over here and get the juicer. Oh, for fuck's sakes. So let's go to 14 again. But this time we'll go 14.5-inch drive. I hate working in other people's shops. Piss me off, I can't find anything. Oh, that exhaust is hot. What if we try to take that side off first? This just doesn't want to work for me. Can't. Ow! Lots of spiky things in an engine. Too tight for a fucking spinner as well. That's alright, I'll try a bigger spanner. Hey, pick up a fucking spot, this thing. Wonder if I'm going to be able to get my little socket on it now. Because that would be fucking handy. One bolt. One part of the bracket. Let's try to come this way. What the fuck? Every bloody place I try to put this gun. Every fucking time. Found it. Found the spot to do it. But unfortunately, it's too tight, which tells me it's been cross-threaded. The feels of it. So even by spanner, it's very fucking tight. There's no pressure on it. It's already half out. So hopefully that means that the control arm where the thread goes into under this bolt isn't stripped, because if it's stripped, that means I have to take the whole control arm off. I don't really want to do that. Hey Rob, can you do us a favour quickly? Can you just pull that TIG one back in, up to the roller door, and turn it off? Yeah, just pull it up to the roller door and turn it off. It's just sitting in the driveway, that's all. There she goes, beautiful. Surprisingly enough, the bushing actually feels alright, which is good. And looking at the thread, it doesn't look too bad, which means it wasn't cross-threaded. But that's what was making all the noise. That fucker there. So we're going to go for a drive and see if we can get one. Alright, and we're back and we've got our sway bar bracket. Put that up there. Bolts in. The doors that sit in the back of my fucking hand. Oh now. Huh? What are you doing now? Putting the sway bar back in.
Something's dripping behind you.
It's called aircon.
So this lock with the coupe,
Yeah.
it's because the central locking's not working.
Right.
On the button,
Yeah. On that button.
on that button.
Have we replaced the battery?
Yeah, something's going on with that.
Yeah.
We can't, you can't lock the car. You can use the buttons inside the vehicle, but they can't lock the car as you walk.
So you can lock it from the inside. So like you press the lock button on the door and it locks it.
Well, I'll back up getting it to do that.
Yeah. So that'll be the first test, because obviously. What's wrong?
I don't know, I just had someone that wants to look at it, but
Okay,
you can't
alright.
sell a car like that.
It's okay. It's okay. You just tell them the
Was
battery's
there
dead.
on your list though?
Huh?
Was that on your
Yes,
list?
it is on my list, but I haven't gotten to it yet. But what I'm telling you, check if the button on the door works, because if the button on the door works, that means the actual little unit in the door is moving the lock, which means the central locking is broken. It means that there's a signal problem. Where's the 14 mil one? Zip, zip. Zip, zip. There should be a button on the driver's door that'll say lock unlock. What about on the dash?
One.
That's two. And the other side is done up as well. Fantastic. Alright, well that's that problem solved. That was quite easy. A lot of oil spills down here. The last bloke that worked on it. Did a bit of an engine swap, but didn't fucking clean anything. Typical. Need some cleaner up there. Great success. Very good success. That's simple things. Okay. Okay. Right. Now what we're going to do, clean up around this intercooler. It's got quite a bit of oil around it from before it had its engine swap. But like I did just say, the person that did all the work didn't clean anything. Don't know why, but for some reason, they're lazy, just couldn't be bothered. Maybe they're off their chops. Probably off their chops, I reckon. Did you work it out, Toddy?
Yeah, right.
So does the button actually work on the remote?
No,
Does the central locking inside the car work?
there's no central lock because there's only two doors. So you just got to use the key that comes out of the actual fob.
Yeah.
to unlock and lock the
Oh, so it
door.
doesn't actually have central locking?
Not that I could find anywhere.
Because normally there's a button inside the car.
Nothing that I could see anyway.
So maybe the lock and unlock is just to arm the alarm.
Fix all should fix it.
Is that silicone? What are you using that for? Oh, right, gotcha. Ugh. That one was in my mouth. Oh. Right, so new one's in place, all bolted back in, bit of an engine clean, looks pretty good. See you on the next one.